Hi, I'm Golamudi Renuka. I am currently doing my second year in IIT Hyderabad in mechanical engineering. So I started Ahaguru when I was in 8th standard. I started with math, and from 9th to 12th I took up science also. With my journey with Ahaguru was amazing. Everything in Ahaguru, I think firstly from my foundations in 9th and 10th, they made my foundations very strong. They cultivated a deep-rooted interest in maths and science for me with all the experiments, all the fun science learning kits and all of that. I think I would never forget my basic concepts. And that science foundation in 9th and 10th was what motivated me to continue with this preparation for JEE in 11th and 12th. Coming to 11th and 12th, 11th and 12th was very focused. We had lots of revision tests, everyday tests, daily practice problems, and we had lessons with solved examples and all of that in such a way that we would continuously learn. It was not some mega effort we were expected to put or like so much work. It was a small steps which added up to a huge effort in the end. And I think we never felt very stressed or pressurized because it was everyday small steps that made a big change for us. In Ahaguru, the conceptual clarity was something I loved. I still remember my concepts. The way my professors explained it, whether it was Balaji sir, DPS sir, Santanam sir, Sadagopan sir or Ravishankar sir, all of them, the examples they gave, the funny jokes they told for us to remember the concepts. Even in the exam hall, the reason I didn't make certain mistakes was because of their jokes that came into my mind. So I think my experience with Ahaguru was wonderful. The doubt clarifications, the meeting with sir, everything was very approachable, very easy. And overall, I think I loved those 2 years. It was not stressful. It was not something I had to do, but it was something I wanted to do and I loved to do. And I think that was the reason I will still love my 11th and 12th and I love what I'm doing today. Thank you.